Welcome back again. Damn, we miss you so much, guys. So yeah, I'm here, and I have a scene for you. This is all my coins I got. This one there. That's all, and my money is 429 billion. And I got this VIP. Subscribe. Damn. So we get this token. Whoa. I don't. Man. Damn. Ooh. Nice. I have so many first quality blocks, and I could give the 3 of them to one of you guys if you like and subscribe. Something fast. Please, something good. Please. I got gold blocks. So let's test the Neo. This Neo. So let's get this Neo. Whoa. Damn. Damn. Okay. Damn, so many waves. Okay. That's it. Please, go. Okay. Oh. Damn. It's big. It's from big. Okay, so we'll find that. Rubicino, Kubini. Let's collect some game token. Whoa. Bruh. It becomes slower and slower. Damn. But anyways. Bro, I died. No. Okay, so let's try to do this. Voltero. Okay. Damn. Okay, deposit. Please. Bruh. No. It didn't get low. I'm gonna try this now. This one. Man, so slow. Oh. Okay. Nice. Let's put it in there. Please. Oh. Okay, nice. Auto finish. No, 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 no. Okay. No, 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 no. So fast, bro. This way, man. So many ways. Man, this is fast. Right. Give me smaller, smaller. Damn. Okay. Let's get out. Stop. What did it? Wait. Bruh. I didn't know this would be neat. Okay, okay. Okay, let me try. Let me do this Martino Gravitino. Let's see if it do. I will give this one of you guys. But make sure to like and subscribe so I can give away. If it doesn't, I'll give away money. Bruh, didn't do right. So let's set it back. Let's put it out. Let's go. Let's get this little dito. Ito bigger. So man, this wacky wave so slow. No, 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 no. Whoa. Whoa. Easy. No, 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 no. Okay, okay. So many fast waves. Damn. Okay, nice. Damn, it duplicate. Damn. It duplicate. Nice one. Let's go. Duplicate. It duplicate. Nice one. Let's go. Nice. Let's go. Okay, let's try another one. No. Damn. Okay, let's try this. Indian Butero. Okay. 1 minute left. Forget. No. Yes, Indian Butero. Right. No. Okay. Please dupe. Bro, it didn't dupe. Man. No. Listen. Let's collect this one. Where we're gonna do spin fast. Where Wow, this monkey wave is so fast. No. Let's go. Okay. Then this fast, bro. Okay. Bruh. It didn't get good. But it's okay for me. Damn. Okay. I dope my I dope it. So yeah. Okay, don't lose a chance. We don't lose a chance. We don't lose a chance. Let's open this one. Okay. I hope we get something good. Okay, that's good. Bright. It gold. I don't want that. Okay, another one. Please, we get something good. Okay, nice. Jump, sahur. Okay, no. Okay. Let's do this fast. Oh. No. Okay. Okay. Max lock. Wait. Let's wait for some minutes. Let's wait. Okay, it's almost. Okay. Bruh. Again. Nah, I just waste my luck. But that's good. Damn. This brain rot. This Ruby Tito Tubini was good for me, even if is gold mutation. That's good for me. Damn. But wait, I have a secret for you guys that you didn't know, that I got this, but don't tell anyone this, cause they don't tell anyone, guys, cause they will offer this. This is not the Dindin Voltero. Okay, let's do this. Don't tell anyone, guys, that I have this. Right? This Bulbito Bandito Tractorito with level 200 divine money imitation and a 1x size. So yeah, don't tell anyone with this, guys, because they might offer this for their divine. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, so I will give away this three celestial lucky block. So that's all. See ya. Bye.